Welcome to our journey in faith. We appreciate the fact that you're viewing this. If you do us a favor, hit a thumbs up, like, share, make a comment. That helps. So we're thankful for that. So it's the night before I fly out to Peru, Lima, Peru. And so we're packing and just wanted to show you what we got going on here. I got my passport scanned and I have my boarding pass. So we got to get all this stuff on the bed inside this 30-inch rolling duffel bag. So I got my hawk and trowel. Here's my trowel. Got my handle on the outside of the hawk. Got my scooper for the mortar. And I brought a couple of tape measures, my Milwaukee, and I got an old Stanley Max Steel. I can leave that there. Anyway, so we got to get all this in here. Got to figure it out. I got these little bags are real helpful. I got undergarments and socks and stuff here. I got my hoodie. I got my t-shirts. I got my sandals. I got some water shoes. My work t-shirts. Some work shorts. I got some church clothes. I got my Bible. I got my raincoat. I got some first aid stuff here, Imodium, and some antibiotics. And I also have a water bag that filters all the water. And I got my towel, and I got my waist bag that I carry my passport in, and money. Yeah, just all kinds of things. I got some sweats and shorts to sleep in. And that's about it. So we're going to get this stuff packed in there. And tomorrow, while I'm rolling down the airport, I'll take a picture of my bag and show you how big it is. And if I get it all in there. Anyway, we appreciate you all joining us. And until tomorrow, keep looking up, and Maranatha.